Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for Sibongile and the Dlaminis this week. On Monday the 27th of January 2025, as danger looms, Uvuma feigns ignorance to the Induna about Sibongile's absence. Sensing urgency, he urges Ukwenzo to take Sibongile to Nomfundo's house for safety. On Tuesday, the 28th of January, Sibongile and Kwenzo find refuge in Nomfundo's home, while Peteni is convinced that the kidnapping is a way to get rid of Usibongile. When Zeni's plans to raise awareness about an important matter are thwarted by Unjengaye, who doesn't want his family to attract the wrong attention. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, with Njengaye's intervention, the Induna rethinks his actions. Sibongile finds the courage through the counsel of Peteni and Nomfundo. When Zeni is so determined to help Sibongile that she attempts to skip school and take a taxi all by herself. Guys, it looks like this week is the week where Sibongile is finally going to be rescued. God, my question is, Manju Peteni and seeing an opportunity to get rid of Sibongile. Peteni, guys, will she ever fully change? Because I mean, how many times must these people prove time and time again which they want to be with one another, guys? My question even is around how is this season going to end, because nje the only thing we want as fans is for Usibongile ukuthatha iskono, guys, and be successful. There's zinge hi Usibongile shame. When will she get a break, umntana abantu, guys? But anyway, let's park it there. You tell me your expectations and your thoughts for this week on Sibongile and the Dlaminis. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.